In this video I'm going to show you how to create a QR code for Google Forms. So what we will do, we will go to Google Forms and open our Google form. As you can see, I have created an example form and we will open it. Now, the next step is of course to publish your form. If you haven't published it yet, then publish it now. And after that, we can click on the copy responder link. So what we will do, we will shorten the URL and click on this checkbox. After that, you can copy the URL and then we will continue for the next step to create the QR code. So the next step is of course to go to canva.com. It is a free site. I have also made some videos about Canva, how to use it and how to create an account. The next step is to create a new design and click on the plus sign. Then we will use a custom size and we will use the size 1080 by 1080. Once you have done that, click on create new design and then we will select the design. So make sure this canvas is selected and then we will go to apps on the left side and select it. Here you will type in QR code in the search bar. Then you will find this app and we will select the app. Now once you have selected the app, then you can open it by clicking on this button down below. The next step is to enter the URL and we just copied the URL from our responder link. So we will shorten the URL. So we will shorten the URL and copy the link again. Then we will go back to the design and here you can enter the URL. So paste it over here and then generate a code. Once you have done this, then you will see we have created a QR code for our Google form. So to make sure this is a little bit bigger, we can resize it by dragging it down at the corners. And now you have successfully created a QR code. The next step is of course to give it a design name. So let's say QR code Google form. And once we have done that, then we can download the design. So we will download it by clicking on this share icon, then go to download and save it as a PNG file. Now click on download and once you have done that, then you will see that this design is now downloaded and we have created a QR code for our Google form to share it with people. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!